Kaunti ya Makueni niyakulya macommisioner nzama ya Itheka National Land Commission metwae nomo nginya Mtito Andei nokana kuneenan'ya na kwiyiwia kwanzia ya imwe kwa imwe kuma kwa enenthi na ekali sokoni kukonya kilingiisi ta kaundi Yiva ila yaile kuungamia soko Makueni ithitwe ilulumilia kana Mtito Andei niyo kou niyo yaile uthukuma na kukolania koti sokoni woni ula huithitwe ilulumelwa ni serikali ya kaunti ya Taita Taveta na kukilia makulyo memutia mawia kana enenthi kana mawia kana enenthi kisioni ki methitwe mayiva koti kundu kwili kwa kaundi isiele ikwani yende na kwithukiwa ni nzama ya maundu ma Itheka. Ripoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
Kaunti ya Makueni thienda macommisioner ma NLC matembe ngina ground kuya Mtito Andei nokana kwiyiwia kwanzia ya imwe kwa imwe niki kaunti na itumisyo cia kwivita Mtito Andei the kaunti ya Makueni.
All the parties who are appearing before you are pleading and saying that the nature of this complaint requires that the population, the community on the ground hears the voice of the commission, hears the voice of the panel that is determining this matter. This being a matter which relates to more or less land is an emotive matter.
Kwisila wakili wa kaunti senior counsel Eric Metwae Makueni thiweta vathiundu na ninya na usungio wa muthiasyo thesiso twaiwa vamusini lovi na vathiwa na aki kwa ngaliko sieli kaunti ya Makueni vimwe na kaunti ya Taita Taveta ila kukitia ungami na uthukumi Mtito Andei.
If a decision is to be rendered or made or determined in Nairobi, having not heard from the community on the ground, chances are that the said decision is likely to be misinterpreted by the people on the ground. And we have seen matters of this nature, of historical land injustice, breeding some kind of animosity between communities.
Nzama ya NLC ni ya hunivwa budget tachokisie ikinene thino wa kutonethia uungami wa ndambuka cia macommisioner a kisioni kino.
It was our wish to conduct these hearings in situ. It's always the ideal scenario. And we tried our best to get funds for that purpose because it costs. But all the effort that we made would not bear fruit. And because of the timelines that we are working with, we realized there's no other way we could do it. Our thinking is that we can send a lean technical team to the ground. And this could be, depending on how we conclude what we are doing now, this could be as soon as next week or the week after. We send a lean technical team. From the commission, we seem to think that the technical person who is most critical is the head of survey, because the issues of survey, beacons, what have come up.
Onuwe vo hekwani thila inengete vina kaunti ya Taita Taveta kukonya na maundu ma uungami wa Mtito Andei yethitwe hesukumiwe ni mutetei wa kisia mwenenthi ula oyune senator wa Busia Ukio Mtata aiteta kanani wathukanu na miao kwa enenthi taonini kwivithwa koti wana ekali ni serikali kwa thukanyo cia kaunti aiweta kuone kuumisia mwenenthi kindu kila kinatumia nzia ya kumantha usungio wa muvaka yambi ya valasi kaloisi ulika muthanani wa katatu kwe muthanani wa une.
In the way I understood it is that basically if you are taxed for the same goods twice within the same period by an authority or authorities, then that's double taxation, and I don't think the constitution allows it because it amounts to arbitrary deprivation of property.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumava kaunti ni lovi. Nitawa Benjamin Mwaka.